Hello to all. Today we are discuss the topic working method for maxima and minima of two variable. Working method for maxima and minima. Let f of x comma y be given function. Then we use these following steps for finding the maxima and minima. Step number 1, find curl f by curl x and curl f by curl y. Step number 2, solve the equation curl f by curl x equals to 0, curl f by curl y equals to 0 simultaneously for x and y. From this equation we get x, values of x, and from this we get the values of y. In this way we get the points x1 comma y1, ordered pair x2 comma y2 up to so on. Step number 3, find a, that is curl square f by curl x square, b, that is curl square f by curl x curl y, c, that is curl square f by curl y square, and calculate values of a, b, c for each point. Step number 4, if for a point x1 comma y1 we have ac minus b square is greater than 0 and the value of a is less than 0, then f of x comma y is a maxima. For this pair, maximum value is f of x1 comma y1. We put the values of x1 comma y1 in the given function. Number 2, if for a point x1 comma y1 we have ac minus b square is greater than 0 and a is greater than 0, then f of x comma y is minima. For this pair same we get the values, minimum value, that is f of x1 comma y1. Number 3, if ac minus b square is less than 0, here in above cases ac minus b square is greater than 0, difference between a is less than 0 and a is greater than 0. But if we get ac minus b square is less than 0 for a point x1 comma y1, then there is neither maximum nor minimum of f of x comma y. In this case f of x comma y is said to have a saddle point at x1 comma y1. Number 4, if ac minus b square equals to 0 for some point a comma b, the case is doubtful. In this case, if f of a comma b minus f of a plus h comma b plus k is greater than 0 for some values of h and k positive or negative, then f is maximum at a comma b. If f of a comma b minus f of a plus h comma b plus k is less than 0, again for some values of h and k positive or negative, then f is minimum at a comma b. If f of a comma b minus f of a plus h comma b plus k does not keep the same sign for small values of h and k, then neither maxima nor minima. Note, the points we get x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 ordered pairs are called stationary or critical points, and values of f of x comma y at this point are called stationary values. Now we check how to solve a question. Question: find all the maxima and minima of the function. Function is f of x comma y equals to x cube plus y cube minus 63x plus y plus 12xy. This is given function. So how to solve this question? F of x comma y is given. Step number 1. Step number 1 is find partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y. Step number 2. Let us solve for f of curl f by curl x equals to 0 and curl f by curl y equals to 0. So we put these two values equals to 0. These both are quadratic equation. So first of all we subtract these two equations to find the values in linear pairs. So from this equation either x minus y equals to 0 or x plus y minus 4 equals to 0. From here we get x equals to y. From here we get x equals to 4 minus y. Also x square plus 4y minus 21 equals to 0. Now we put value x equals to y in this equation. We get quadratic in x. From here we get the values of x, that is x equals to 3 and minus 7. X equals to y, so y get the same values, y equals to 3 and y minus 7. Similarly, we put the values of x, which is 4 minus y, in this equation. We get the quadratic in y. From here we get the values of y. Put the value of y in equation number 5. We get the values of x. In this way we get our critical points. First critical point is when x is 3, y is 3. X is minus 7, y is minus 7. Similarly, when y is 5, x is minus 1. When y is minus 1, x is 5. So we get 4 ordered pairs. Now we check step number 3. A, that is curl square f by curl x square, that is 6x. B, that is curl square f by curl x curl y, that is 12. C, that is curl square f by curl y square, that is 6y. Now we find the value of AC minus B square, that is 36xy minus 144. Now we check step number 4 for every point. First of all we check at the point 3, 3. AC minus B square, 36 xy, x is 3, y is 3, so put minus 144. We get 180, that is positive, so AC minus B square is greater than 0. And A is 6x, so A is 18, that is again greater than 0. So if AC minus B square greater than 0, A is greater than 0, then f of x comma y is minimum at 3, 3. So minimum value is f 3, 3. So we put in the given equation x cube plus y cube minus 63x plus y plus 12xy. So we put the values x and y in given equation. We get minimum value, that is minus 216. Now we check at the point minus 7, minus 7. AC minus B square is 36xy, minus 7 minus y, put kita, minus 144. We get again positive value, that is again greater than 0. Now we check the value of A, minus 42, that is negative sign, so this is less than 0. AC minus B square is greater than 0. A is less than 0. So we get f of xy is maximum at this point. Now we check the maximum value. Maximum value means f of minus 7 minus 7. We put the values of x and y in the given equation. We get our maximum value. At point minus 1, 5, AC minus B square, that is minus 324. That means this value is less than 0. So at this point, f has neither maxima nor minima. That means this point is a saddle point. Now we check at the last point, that is our 5 minus 1, AC minus B square. We get the value minus 324, that is again less than 0. So at point 5 minus 1, f has again neither maxima nor minima. That means again this point is a saddle point. So in this way we get our maxima value, minima value, saddle point. Okay, thank you so much.